Have you ever woken up feeling just off? You look into the mirror, and nothing feels right. That was my life, until I discovered a surprising solution. It wasn't a new wardrobe or a crash diet. It was a Brazilian wax, and the Vagacial. Join me today as I unfold my journey, touching on fears, myths, and ultimately, the glow up. You might just find inspiration for your own confidence comeback. For years, I struggled with my reflection. I avoided shorts in summer. Beach trips. Forget about it. My discomfort in my skin held me back. Beauty standards bombarded me daily. Coupled with my insecurities, my confidence was shattered. One night, while searching for self-care tips, a thought struck me. Could changing the outside affect my inside? That thought spurred me to book treatments I never imagined. At first, the Brazilian wax terrified me. I heard it was painfully awkward. But the truth turned out to be surprising. In a clean, professional salon, the process was speedy and hygienic. The pain? Much less than I anticipated. Afterward, I felt lighter, not just physically, but mentally. I had taken my first real step toward true confidence. Then came the Vagacial. If you haven't heard of it, think of a facial for your bikini area. It prevents ingrown hairs and soothes irritation. It keeps the skin healthy and hydrated. Most importantly, it felt like a true act of self-care. This wasn't just a luxury, it was about honoring my body. After these treatments, I noticed a transformation. I wore dresses I hadn't touched in years. Beach trips suddenly became an option. Nights out were on my calendar again. These treatments didn't change who I was, but instead, they helped me recognize and embrace who I could be. Remember, you don't need a Brazilian wax or a Vagacial to feel confident. Find what makes you feel unstoppable. Perhaps it's a daring haircut or reaching a fitness goal. Maybe it's that facial you've been curious about. If you're thinking of trying these treatments, research reputable salons. Read reviews and discuss your comfort with your esthetician. Self-care isn't selfish. It's how you support yourself and face the world. So, what about you? What self-care step has boosted your confidence? Share in the comments. If my story resonated with you, please hit like and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more relatable self-care journeys.